Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with another video. This is going to be a voiceover, whatever. One take Timmy for shizzled it for Sugadales. Alright, let's just get into this right now. Dude, what are you doing? Start it. Alright, so this is went to my buddy Mikey's birthday, Mark's birthday party yesterday at a Greek restaurant, Taverna, I think. Not positive. So that was a picture of my boat right there. Yeah, I filmed my boat from. This is a drone right there. I don't know why I thought that was funny to say on a boat, but I thought that was good video.
Hey, Mikey, happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Mikey.
With that, okay, great. Where should I sit?
So anyways, we had a great...
Are you sizing me, bro?
We had a great time. I asked Dutch why he's sizing me. That's the new word or something. Yeah, so let's just say, you know, for me, going to a restaurant, spending more money than I'd like, you know, where do I park, late at night, etc., etc.
Willamette Valley?
Oh!
From Willamette Valley.
Willamette Valley. He knows that's my nephew's name, Willamette. And that's the Willamette Valley in Oregon is big, so he thought that was funny. Now, this dude almost burned my face off. But anyways, I was like, dog, I just felt something freaking really hot over here. It was burning cheese. I'm like, dog, what you doing? Dude, what's up with that little hair? But anyways, you know, happy birthday, Mikey. You know, everything wasn't perfect for me.
Last time you said no. Last time you were stunned like no.
Should be stunting on me. I don't even know. Alright, so what I want to say, I got a couple minutes left here. I'm gonna say that I was blessed to be invited to Mikey's birthday. He's invited me, you know, I went, it was 40th last year, 41st this year. His family's invited me to Thanksgiving. I've been invited for Thanksgiving, for Christmas, for the birthdays, and you know, Mark, you motivate and inspire me on the daily. I mean, when I started this business here, you were already in business for yourself for 6-7 years, and no, he can't get rid of me. He can't. I'm loyal. I'm stubborn AF. So
Yeah, sizing. You don't tell me what it means, but
this little kid.
I knew that.
Hold on. Watch. Listen.
Catch a fade with that, son. Come on. Hey, oh! There, my girl.
Come on, Dutch. Tell me.
Dutch, you're trash. It's past your bedtime.
Something like not cool, you say like that's very lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah, like that's so lemon. It's not cool. If something's not cool, say that's so lemon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one's really good.
He totally got me. I thought that was for real. All right, let's finish up. Let's say what. So, anyways, I mean, Mikey just helps me on you know, on a daily basis. He inspires. He motivates me. You know, sometimes I think negatively, like, why would he hang out with me? He's so successful, but I don't know, that's just negativity that goes through my head. You know, I'm blessed to have good friends, family, you know.
What does that mean? More family?
I guess if I'm not with my family on Thanksgivings and Christmases, that would lead you to, that would let you know that I'm not like super close to my family, and they take me. And I have a couple friends' families that let me in, but this is a, you know, let's get back to when I started my business. Mikey was already in business for himself for, I think, 6 years, and he helped me out a lot. You know, how to find clients, or just the thinking of the entrepreneur business owner. So I can't thank you enough for that. I can't thank you enough for inviting me to your birthday. It was awesome. Yeah, we've known each other for about 30 years. So here's to another 30 years. And, you know, we're all super, super blessed. Look at that beautiful family. So, yeah. Don't worry, guys. Almost over. I'm going to talk for a couple seconds at the end here. I don't know.
Say something funny. Say something funny.
Say something funny, girl. Come on. Alright, so that's over. So anyways, this was the video. This was CPA Strength. This was Mikey's birthday. And until tomorrow, oh, subscribe to the channel for the daily content that I do upload. We're gonna do a mukbang for tomorrow morning, and that's Saturday. That's gonna be my Saturday morning mukbang, because hey, you only get one Saturday morning. Your boy's looking juicy. I got the salmon last night at dinner. Anyways, I gotta hurry up and get this video out. Until tomorrow, I love doing this YouTube stuff. Deuces.